In today's video, we are going to show you how to get your Deriv affiliate link so you can start sharing it and potentially earn referral commissions. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, open your browser and head over to the Deriv's official website for the affiliate program, which is deriv.com/partners. And then click the sign up button on the top right corner, provide all the information needed. Now select your country or region. You want to make sure that the Deriv affiliate program is available in your country. In my case, I am here in Austria and click the sign up button. Now to make an account here is simple. You can sign up using your Google or your Facebook. You can even use your Apple, but the better idea is if you already have a Deriv account, you can use that email associated with it. And all you have to do is click the next button. Once your account has been successfully created, you will notice that in the center of the dashboard, we see a section called Unlock Your Earnings. Right now, the referral link and the referral code are locked. And that's because we need to complete the profile first. Click the complete profile. And you need to select the account type. Is it going to be individual, an account under your own name, or a company, an account under your business name? And click the next button. Now this is basically the most important part, which is confirming your identity. You need to select the ID type depending on the country that you selected. In my case, I am choosing United States, so I'm going to select the driver's license. I'm going to click the next button. Of course, you can continue on desktop if you wanted, but of course, if you want to verify that later, it's okay. And then after that, you need to enter the address manually, or if you want to turn on the location, it's okay. Now, before completing your profile, you need to make sure that you understood the terms and conditions and click the accept button. And just like that, we have successfully created our own referral link, which is going to be this one. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to get your Deriv affiliate link. Once you have it, you can begin promoting Deriv and track your referrals through the affiliate dashboard. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.